Beauties, I just got my order for the Tarte Sugar Rush collection, and this is a new collection from Tarte. It is super affordable version of Tarte Cosmetics, so it's really great for those of you who would like a more affordable option. So I went ahead and put together a look today using all of my new goodies. I got quite a few of them, so I can't wait to show you guys what I got and what I used to create this look. And I also got something for a giveaway, so keep watching to see what I have in store for you beauties for the giveaway, how to take part, all that good stuff, and also my tutorial and review for the new Tarte Sugar Rush cosmetics. So just keep watching, guys, to see my review, my tutorial, my giveaway, all that good stuff. I got my order here for the new Tarte Sugar Rush collection. So this is a new spring launch from Tarte that is aimed at being more affordable, and I do believe it's targeted or marketed towards what they say, like Generation Z, I believe, like a younger audience. But I don't really get that because, of course, women of all ages and teenagers and everybody loves affordable makeup, so I don't really see why older women wouldn't appreciate affordable makeup. So I loved a lot of my Tarte products, so that's what really piqued my interest in wanting to try this line. So it does make you feel a little bit awkward though if it's supposedly for teens. So, but anyway, I figured I would try it out today and show you guys. For a lot of you that are wanting to purchase it, I figured I would give you my review, and then this way you can purchase it if you'd like, regardless of your age. I think that's just really strange. But you know, everything's about marketing these days, right? So let me show you what I got. I mean, the packaging is absolutely adorable from what I've seen online. And the first thing that I just reached in for, and it says Beach Cheeks, and this is a cream blush, and I believe this is in a seashell shaped compact. So you can see from the packaging on the outside the little seashells. I mean, isn't that just so adorable? But like I said, women of all ages love seashells. Come on, not just teenagers. Or maybe I'm in the minority, but I love seashells. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Look at that. Okay, I don't know, but I love this. I don't care how old you are. That is adorable. Ooh. The color looks gorgeous, so I'm going to try that out today. And then I also got the Keep Calm Sunnies On. This is an eyeshadow palette from the collection. Again, the packaging is adorable, has sunglasses all over it. I know one of these is watermelon shaped, so I was like, yeah. Oh, look at that, come on, who wouldn't love that? That's crazy. Look at that. I'm sorry, any age would love that. I mean, and so everything here is under $30. That's another aim of this collection, is that everything is under $30. But I mean, women of all ages want makeup for under $30, so come on. But here are the colors. Oh my god, can we just talk about how gorgeous? I can't. These shades are super gorgeous, and you know what I really like is that they're warm but not too orange. It does come with a mirror. So, because I'm a little bit over a lot of my shadows in previous palettes now that I purchased within the past few months. A lot of the shades are very orange, and at first I loved it, but now I'm kind of over orange. So these look warm but not orange, so I really love that. And then I also got their watermelon palette because I could not decide, because this looks amazing. And this was also an eye and cheek palette, so I had to. I mean, look at how gorgeous. Oh my god. I mean, they're very, very light, natural, beautiful shades. The pans are a little bit smaller, I guess, because, you know, this is a less expensive palette for them, for Tarte. I'm the type of person, when I have something like this in my makeup bag and I reach in for it, it just makes me happy. The silliness of the packaging, you know, the fun, just makes me happy, guys. I am planning to have a giveaway today, guys, so let's keep it moving, guys. So I also got this Sugar Coat Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and I will list everything below, all the prices, but again, this is aimed to be affordable, and so everything is under $30. And then I got this. This is their liquid lipstick from the collection. This is the shade Frosting. Oh, it does smell like frost, like vanilla candy sort of scent, so that's really nice. Now this was kind of strange, but I gotta tell you guys, this I purchased also. I used it already when I first opened the package. I just reached in really quick. This is their lip oil. Now look at how tiny that is. It's like the size of like my thumb. It works amazing. I did wear it and it worked amazing, but I mean, I've already, look at that, I've already gone, I used it one time and I've already gone through. Apparently for this line, they're saying it's less expensive, but they're giving you smaller portions, sort of. They're giving you smaller amount of product, which I don't care how old you are, nobody, you know, wants small amounts of product. At least I don't. But anyway, let me go ahead, guys, and I'm going to use this palette today. And then this palette, guys, I am going to have for a giveaway. So I'm not going to use it. I'm going to put it away. And if you'd like to enter my giveaway for that palette, then just leave me a comment below letting me know if you what your thoughts are on this collection. If you know, would like to be entered, just leave me a comment below, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed. Those are the only 3 rules, so make sure you follow all 3 steps and you will be entered to win that watermelon palette that I just showed you guys. I'm gonna be doing this a lot more in my videos, guys, because I just really love to give you guys the opportunity to try what I'm trying. I want you guys to be able to, you know, have the same experience, have the same makeup. You know, if you'd like to try it, I really would love for you guys to have it, to try and enjoy and make your day, you know. I know I love getting a package, and so I would love for you guys to feel that same happiness and excitement, and then when you put it on, it's so much fun. So I want you guys to have that same feeling, and so I'm going to try to do that as much as possible. So be on the lookout, guys, because I'm going to be trying to do that a lot more, as much as I can, you know. Let's get right into it. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to reach right into this shade. It's called Spring Break. And so there isn't a really kind of light transition shade in this palette. So I'm going to start with that shade in the lower crease. And then I'm going to, when there's no more product left, we'll bring it up to make like a pretend transition color, because once it gets lighter, you know, once there's no more product, we'll bring it up higher, and then the, you know, the color will be diluted, so it won't be as harsh. But I'll show you guys how we're gonna do that. But that's what you can do if you don't have like a traditional transition shade. But let's first start by taking this shade Lemonade, and I'm just taking a flat shader type of brush, and I'm just gonna put that right under my brows. Bring it all the way over. So this is so natural. So let me go ahead and take this shade here. And so now I'm going to go in with my smaller, more tapered, fluffy brush. This is the M433 from Morphe. Let's put that in our lower crease. And then when there's no more product, we'll go upwards. So it's down here. It's not that high. But that's gorgeous. Wow. That is a super gorgeous color. Oh, I love that color. I love that color so much. Because it's warm, like I said, but it's not orange. So we're keeping it pretty in our lower crease right now. This is so gorgeous. It's not patchy. It feels very creamy. So actually, just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna wipe my brush. Just wipe it on like a tissue. And then let's blend that out. You see, now we made like our own homemade transition color. So do the same on the other eye. So you're just blending the edge and just taking it back and forth, and then make your circles. This is gonna take you. It's, you know, it depends what primer you use. I actually did use my Morphe primer today, but you know, it could take. This is like probably takes the longest. You have to spend some time doing this to get a nice blend. I mean, not that long, but you know, it's gonna take a few minutes to blend perfect, you know. So let's go ahead and bring back that shade Spring Break, and I'm just going to take the same exact brush and let's just tap it now and bring it back. So just keep going back until you get it, the depth and the pigmentation and the look that you want. Just want to keep going back and tapping it on till you get it how you want it. So now I'm going to go in with this color Pool Hop and another very, you know, tapered kind of brush and fluffy brush. This is a Jaclyn Hill J33 Morphe. But again, you just want to use small fluffy brushes when you're working on the lower portion of your eye. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab some out and put that right again in our lower crease. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. This is a really gorgeous palette. I'm truly in love with these colors. I love that shade so much. A pencil brush, and I'm just going to smudge that under my lower waterline. And now I'm going to take, again, another really slim fluffy brush, and let's take this shade Retro, the darkest shade in the palette, and let's just dip into that and put that in the very, very lowest portion of our eye now. And this is actually blending beautifully. It's not patchy. They feel creamy. They're blending into each other effortlessly. So I actually am so in love with this palette. I do always love to take a clean, very big fluffy brush now, and now you could just go ahead and just blend everything together. And now they have these beautiful shimmers. I mean, I love this color festival. This color Pool Party is gorgeous. It's like a sea green blue. So it's not your average blue shade. Well, let me go ahead and pop this on the front part. Ooh, are you kidding me? Oh my God. I hope you guys can see this. This isn't even wet. Oh my God, that is so gorgeous. This is unbelievable. I hope you could see it. That is just absolutely stunning. Let me go ahead and wet it just to see how it comes out, but I just could not be more in shock at how gorgeous this is. Like, so gorgeous, truly. And it's a very unique color because it's not too sore. It sort of is, it's very wearable. I feel very like it's a very comfortable shimmer blue. You know, it's just not too much. It's just amazing. Like, you would definitely feel comfortable wearing this anywhere, day or night. I'm gonna take a little bit of this on just a very small synthetic brush, and I just want to put this under my eyes, just right in there, because it's just stunning. And I'm actually gonna put a little bit of this Summer Love gold shade. These are just amazing, guys. I'm not even joking. I'm literally in shock right now. Just put some of that also in the tear duct. Oh my God, guys. So guys, I had to go off camera and I was having fallout again, but this palette is unbelievably gorgeous. I went ahead and sort of just put some more of this retro. I mixed retro and pool hop together and just put that, you know, just to blend out where the blue was, and it's just so gorgeous. This palette is so gorgeous, and it is $25. So I know normally Tarte palettes run up to like over $50 or around $50, so this is a much more affordable option, I guess, if you want to use your Tarte shades. So guys, I'm just going back in with Lemonade, and on a synthetic front brush, I'm just going to bring back our highlight, our brow bone, since any of it got washed away. I'm just going to put on some of this Milk Makeup Kush Mascara now. I'm just so obsessed with this mascara, guys, so I'm just going to put some of this on. Actually, guys, I'm going to go over that with my Stila mascara. I'm just so obsessed. I'm obsessed with both these mascaras, but together they are just out of this world amazing. So this is the Stila Huge Mascara. If you can only get one, I think I would get the Stila. But together, they are out of this world. It can get pricey, so definitely if you just want to use, if I would recommend one of the two, it's the Stila, but together, oh my God. I actually got a sample and it's just lasted me forever. So if you can get a sample, guys, that's the way to go. Another thing I love about this mascara, it really truly grabs on each one of your lashes. So it gives you a certain kind of look that I don't even think that fake lashes can do. So that's what I'm actually kind of like, I don't even want fake lashes at this point. I just love the look of mascara. So let's go ahead now and try out the blush. I cannot wait, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with my beauty mist. That's gonna be out soon, guys. It's gonna be out soon, believe me. I know it, well, you know, it takes a long time. It's completely natural. It's an all natural beauty mist. Clean beauty. It's just all natural. So they are making it from scratch, and they use all, like I said, all natural raw ingredients. It'll be out soon, guys, probably within a month or so. So be on the lookout for that. So now I'm nice and drenched, and my skin can soak in those vitamins and all of that amazing stuff in my beauty spray that leaves you glowing. I actually do prep my skin with it first too. First I spray it on before I do anything, and then I use it throughout with the makeup process, and then I use it throughout the day. So it's just multi-use beauty mist. So I can't wait for you guys to get it. Like I said, it's full of vitamins, and it's just amazing for your skin, for making your makeup look amazing. It smells amazing. It's so many great benefits. I'm gonna wet my brush with my beauty mist now. Cream blush can be tricky. I know a lot of people just put it on with their fingers. You could definitely put it on with your fingers, especially if you're a teenager. I'll put it right there. But cream blush, wow, this is gorgeous. Oh my god, guys, that's so stunning. And definitely you could use this on your lips too as well. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. And then to keep it soft and dewy, let's just put a little very fine bit of powder on, not too much, just a very, so we'll keep it kind of natural. Natural for me, right? But just use this fluffy brush just to set. And then I'm just gonna put on a little bit of bronzer. I love this Too Faced Natural Face Palette. I've like used it constantly, and I'm already hitting tan on. Before I do my lips, I just want to pop on a little bit of highlighter because I just love highlighting. So, and I just love this Jeffree Star Morphe brush. Do you guys see that? Oh my god. Let's just go ahead now and try that lip. I'm so excited to try it. It looks amazing. It's called Frosting, and it smells like frosting. It smells like vanilla frosting. So that's amazing. So I'm just going to take some of this MAC Cork lip liner. And then let's go ahead and take the Tarte Frosting. That is so pretty, guys, and it's very creamy. I think, is this a liquid lipstick? It's a liquid lipstick, but is it long wearing? I'm not sure. It feels super creamy, so I'm not sure how it's gonna wear, but it feels amazing. So babes, this is the finished look. I absolutely love this collection. I am so happy that I got it. I was a little bit apprehensive. I felt kind of strange at first because I thought, is it just for teens, or you know, it might, you know, but I don't care. I love this collection. I could not love it more. I absolutely love this lip, this cheek cream blush. Oh my god, the glow, the life it gives your face. Oh my god, you have to get that, especially if you are a teenager, or you know, anybody. You could just definitely take your fingers and just take it in your beach bag. If you're at the beach and you just pop this on like with your fingers, oh my god, you are just gonna look so gorgeous. I can't even imagine. This is amazing. Actually, I did get the color Ocean Girl, this lip oil on the beach. Oh my god, you're just gonna look phenomenal. Actually, let me put some on over this lipstick. It's just amazing. It feels amazing. I truly wish, I hope they have a bigger size of this somewhere. I'm gonna have to go look on the Tarte website because I'm already halfway through and I can't be, I've only used it like twice. So that's not, I need it to last longer, you know. Babes, I swear on my life, you will love this lip oil. You will love this cheek. Even if you don't normally wear cream blush, you gotta try this, because I also don't wear cream blush because a lot of times it's hard to work with. But this is so amazing. It's worth the, you know. And then this little palette right here, oh my god, I love it so much. I love how it's warm, but it's not orange. It's just phenomenal. So I could not be happier. Oh, and this lip color. I love this lip color so much, Frosting. And I love how it tastes. It feels so creamy. It feels so good. It's just amazing. And all these Tarte cosmetics are cruelty free. So I think that's amazing. And I could just not be more happier. So thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today and checking out my Tarte Sugar Rush review tutorial and all that good stuff. Don't forget to comment below and let me know if you'd like to take part in a giveaway so you could get one of these palettes for yourself. Definitely subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, the like button. Turn on notifications too, that would also be amazing. So definitely follow those rules, and don't forget, we always have our monthly giveaway going on. I have an amazing huge giveaway for the month going on with Faith, Drew, and Melinda. Check out that video. I'll link it, you know, in the description bar. But thank you guys so much again for coming and hanging out with me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Love you.